So, recently I installed the side tip here, which, oh yeah, there's still paint on it. I also just put the niddles back on because my alignment's pretty out. I installed new sway bar bushings, the blue there, and the stabilizer end links, the black. The last guy that did this actually had this bar here. The whole thing was upside down, so instead of swinging up, it was swinging down. That was actually what totaled off these sway bar bushings, because they were like twisted really weird. It just didn't work. I actually have to loosen them off and kick the bar that way a bit, just so it straightens out, because these are kind of raked a bit. Both of them are right to the passenger side. But yeah, so got the niddles back on. It makes airplane noises again. I like it. I've got the bumper somewhat painted. Got a chain hanging across it because it looks aggressive AF. Yeah. So today we're gonna make it a little bit louder. So who doesn't like it louder and it's starting to rain? No, whatever, we're doing it anyways. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a zip cut, gonna cut a hole in the cat, drop out that panel, move all the junk, dump in a cardboard box or something, and then just throw it out. And then, well, we're gonna run it like that, see how it sounds. And then I'm gonna weld it back together so it's legal. Because, well, I'm gonna get stopped pretty quick if it's open like that. I mean, the cops around here don't give a hoot, but as soon as I go anywhere with it, it's gonna get hit a couple times. So I'm just gonna grab my tools and I'll show you what I'm doing here after. Alright, so face shield there, no worries, I was being safe. Zip disc, little piece of metal, hole in catalytic converter. Time to go get a cardboard box and start peeling that crap out. So what I have to do here is I'm just chipping away at it with a chipping hammer for welding. Yeah, and so that's what the stuff looks like. And it's just breaking off in tiny little pieces. I was hoping it would come out in bigger chunks, but it's in like 3 main chunks here. The stuff doesn't really stick to your fingers. It just breaks apart. I'm surprised that the carbon from the exhaust doesn't stick to your fingers, but whatever. I'm just gonna keep on beating on it and weld it back up once I'm done, so hopefully I won't. So I'll check in once I get to that point. So I've made some progress, but it's not a whole lot. I did try using the zip disc just to kind of cut out chunks, but that doesn't work very well. So I'm just gonna go start up the truck and see how it sounds. This is going to free up a lot of air. Should be a nice throaty blub, 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 blub. So I'll just see if I can get out of here without needing to move this cardboard. I've made a fair bit of progress here. It kind of stopped raining, so I have cleared out. It was kind of in two pieces in here. Cleared out the big piece. I've just been chipping at it with the hammer, and slowly I managed to get it to break up. So I've got it here, just this piece left. You kind of see it's a oval-shaped cavity in here that you're trying to break all the pieces out of. So yeah, really a chipping hammer, it works really good because you've got the pointed end here and then the flat end over here. So it's just nice to, you can switch between using the chipping hammer, like the chipping part, and using the flat part. One little hack that I did here was, because I'm wearing a shop coat, and I wrapped a zip tie around it. I was gonna wrap like duct tape or something, but I found a zip tie first, just to prevent little bits like this stuff. It's really irritating. Like when it gets in your sleeves, it's really itchy. So I just wrapped the zip tie. It's still, like, it's loose. I'm not cutting off circulation in my hand. It's not turning blue. Like, it's fine there, but yeah, just figured I'd do a quick little update here. So I got it all cleaned out. This here is pretty much the entire contents of a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 catalytic converter. DeWalt zip disc and the hammer there are not included. But yeah, so I just finished up. It's starting to try and rain again here, so I'm not going to weld up the hole today. I'm just going to clean up the tools here, go set them down in the shop, and then just see if I can manage to throw all this junk out into the garbage. So got everything cleaned up now. No more bag under there. There's a little brick left there, but still do have a hole in the catalytic converter. It wasn't a straight cut, but whatever. So we're just gonna go start it up and take it for a drive, see how it sounds, see if it acts any different. Well, of course it's gonna be a whole lot louder and a whole lot throatier, but whoa, that vibrates the whole truck. Damn. Okay, this is gonna get wow. Okay. Sorry, neighbors. Sounds like a drag car. Oh, that's nice. Just open headers. Man, that's nice. Big fan of that. Big fan. Ooh, everyone's gonna hate me now. Damn, that's loud. That's really loud. Just hope I don't see any cops, because I will be getting stopped instantly. This is so loud. Like, headphone users beware.
This is so loud.